Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. We had some rain here, and you see rain stopped all the moss fires. There are no more moss fires here. See, all stopped by the rain. Well, rained a lot in the morning and also tonight, and we will expect more rain next 3 days. So there is not a single moss fire. It's just everything is over, literally over. It was so much rain that it's stopped all the moss fires. It's approaching 11 o'clock in the night. It's still a long hike from me back, about 2 hours. And this is how Volcano looks today on the 4th of August. Cold. Speaking Polish to the front people. See, they have a pot with them, food pot. Yeah, it was nice. See, that shot was nice. So Volcano is erupting, very little activity, but it's active. But it's likely to stop very soon. There you see also there are no moss fires, all stopped, nothing all around. Firefighters have a break, really. But moss could have come earlier. It's kind of strange that there had been no rain in Iceland for so many days. It's very unusual for Iceland not to have a day and not to have rain for weeks. So usually we have here rain, like statistically 15 days a month it rains in Iceland. So half a month's rain on average. And you have those small jets. So I'm moving home. That's it for me. Enough of filming now. It's a long hike, 2 hours hike, and tomorrow I have to be at work at 11:30 in the morning. So it's fine, not 7 or 8. 11:30. I have some time to sleep and recover. I will drive tourists, of course, for bus travel. I will drive Golden Circle in the lagoon. So I'm going home now. Trip number 8 is over and we go home. This is how Volcano looks, the last look. So Volcano is active, but activity is very poor. No real lava lake inside, just a lava tube, a hole which shoots lava up to 4, 5, 10 meters sometimes. And it looks like it's winding down. It might be over completely in a day or two or few. So we're going down the mountain and proceed to the car and go home. Lots of smoking on the edges of lava fields over there, you see, but no hot lava visible to the south, just lava is smoking. And I saw there is also lots of oxidation around the lava field. Okay, going down the mountain can be tricky to walk down in the nights. That's why I'm hurrying up so that I could get home to the car before 1, because it's not fun to walk when you can't see anything and it's already starting to get dark. So goodbye Little Ram. It is Little Ram Mountain we went up to. So all the best to you guys.